Phones in 2024? They all look the same, boring slabs of glass. But back in the 2000s, phone design was wildly creative. Let's take a quick trip back and revisit some of the most unique designs. Number 10. The Nokia N93 with its twist and flip camera design, perfect for video recording. Number 9. The Nokia E70 combined a traditional mobile phone with a fold-out full QWERTY keyboard, offering a perfect balance between business and casual use. Number 8. The Motorola V70 featured a futuristic rotating keypad, which made it stand out from anything else on the market. Number 7. The Nokia N-Gage wasn't just a phone. It was a full-fledged gaming console that doubled as a mobile device, combining mobile communication with portable gaming. Number 6. The Nokia 9300 was a pocket-sized communicator that unfolded to reveal a full keyboard, transforming into a mini-computer. Number 5. The Nokia N95, with its dual-slide design, was ahead of its time, offering a specialized interface for music and media. Number 4. The Nokia 7280, often referred to as the lipstick phone, had no traditional keypad, which made it stand out in a crowd of standard phones. Its slim, unconventional design targeted the fashion-forward consumer. Number 3. The Nokia 5700 featured a twistable design with a rotating keypad that could switch between a traditional phone layout and music controls. Number 2. The Nokia 8800 was all about luxury, with a stainless steel body and a smooth sliding mechanism that exuded sophistication. Number 1. The Motorola Razr V3, with its ultra-slim, lightweight body, became an instant style icon. Let's talk about the design philosophies of the brands that ruled the 2000s. Nokia was all about durability and functionality. Their phones often featured bold, sturdy designs, like the N95 and 9300, but with a twist, literally, in some cases. They weren't afraid to experiment with sliders, flip mechanisms, and even unique shapes like the 7280. Motorola, on the other hand, leaned into sleek, minimal aesthetics. The Razr V3 is the best example, thin, stylish, and focused on making a statement. Their phones were all about blending cutting-edge technology with a premium feel, showing that a phone could be more than just a tool. It could be a fashion accessory. Sony Ericsson was a master of multimedia design. Their phones emphasized entertainment with excellent cameras, music features, and intuitive navigation. Devices like the W-series Walkman phones focused on delivering a rich audio experience while maintaining a modern, compact look. Each brand brought something unique to the table, focusing on distinct elements, whether it was function, form, or entertainment. It was an era when design was as important as the technology inside.